COVID's seen a significant increase in demand for our emergency relief, our financial counselling and our family and relationship counselling services. There are huge gaps in government funding. Quite simply, people are falling through the cracks all the time. We are the Church's community services arm and we are the Church in action. We've been able to respond over the past 50 years to those most vulnerable within our community. The sheer number of people and communities in need has drastically increased. In spite of devastating bushfires, coupled then with a global health pandemic, homelessness and emergency housing doesn't just go away. Family and domestic violence doesn't just stop. The need to protect our children from abuse and neglect, it doesn't end just because of the times we're in. In fact, we've had children in forced environments who are in close contact or are in isolation with the perpetrator. This only furthers our need for intervention. The reality is that the demand for our services and our care only increases at a time like this. We're also seeing new cohorts of vulnerable people and individuals coming through our emergency relief program. We're seeing more students come through who have been impacted by COVID conditions. We're seeing those who have lost their employment or been stood down from employment seeking help around financial counselling services. The reality of how we work as an organisation is we are state and federally funded for certain programs, but we've got significant gaps in that funding. We also run a number of unfunded programs. One of the gaps we have within funding is those people who are impacted by family and domestic violence and need to seek assistance with transitional housing, and your donations contribute towards providing that safe place for that family. We offer over 50 programs across 2 states. When you donate to Lutheran Community Care, you're supporting those who fall through the gaps of funding. For over 50 years, it's been you, the congregations, who've supported and partnered with us to respond in such times as these. Now, we need your help more than ever. I ask you to please give where you can, be generous, and together, let's help rebuild our communities and the lives within them. Thank you.